Welcome today to Real Stuff, No Fluff. I'm your host, Angela Nixon. Today is exciting for me. We're going to review the Gearbubble Mug. I ordered the mug on, let's see my date. I ordered the mug on the 22nd of February at 11:45 p.m. I requested the payout for the mug because I ordered the mug as a customer. So I want to know how long will it take for a payout. I requested the payout on February 27th. It was in my account February 28th, and I received the mug on March 5th. So that took about 10-11 days for me to actually get the mug. I say 11 days because I should have counted at 11:45 p.m. That's actually the 23rd of February. So I got the mug. It came in this styrofoam, just like this, with the label right over it. And the styrofoam is pretty thick, so that's pretty cool. Here's the mug. I'm so excited to show you guys right here. It's my Melanin Finesse, and it looks really good. I like it. It's very bright. Nice size coffee mug. I paid $6.95 for the mug, and that's what I charge my customers. I made $2 off of the mug. All right. There was some shipping. I think Gearbubble charged me $5 to actually ship the mug. So I'm going to be looking at other companies like Scalable Press and like Printful. So I'll keep you updated on those. I want to really get the idea of when I order it, how long does it take to get to me? What type of packaging does it come in? And how does it look, the quality of the package? Because it's important that our customers get that same type of feel and that we're not surprised. Because when you're drop shipping, you don't know always what that product looks like. And then you'll be amazed what the customers say when they get it. When they're like, oh, it came crappy, or it didn't look good. And you don't know because you never ordered it yourself, because you just automatically drop ship to jumpstart your business. So for me, Real Stuff No Fluff is for me to get the experience for you and let you know how it was and show you the product where you don't have to do like me, search numerous hours on YouTube trying to find someone to tell me the real deal. So you guys stay tuned for the other mugs that I'm going to be ordering, and also what's coming up next is t-shirts that I have ordered also from Gearbubble. All right. Well, you guys be blessed. Thank you once again. I'm your host, Angela Nixon. Thanks for visiting Real Stuff, No Fluff. Talk to you soon.